Hey guys, we are back again for another travel video. And this time we will be looking at a country that most people consider as one of the best holiday destinations anywhere around the globe. That country is Greece. So, in today's travel guide, instead of looking at what makes Greece such a desirable travel destination, which we will definitely be looking at in another video, we will be taking a deep dive into the 10 most dazzling cities you must visit when traveling to stunning Greece. Without dragging any further, let's begin. Everything you dream of when pondering about your dream holiday destination, traveling to Greece is precisely that and more. It is one of the most popular destinations for many tourists. You might be wondering, what is so special about Greece that makes it such a hotspot for tourists worldwide? Well, just think about your ideal holiday destination and what you would want it to be like. A beautiful villa facing the sea, mesmerizing sunset, warm weather, endless rows of shops, and the list continues. The best part of Greece as a holiday destination is that it caters its attractions to both the young and old, unlike many other countries which are either tech-savvy or surrounded by cultural monuments. So, let's head right into things with the 10 places you definitely have to visit when traveling to Greece. Let's start this list off with the beautiful city of Athens. How do we not start with Athens when it comes to places to visit when traveling to Greece? Being the capital of Greece, Athens is a city that is over 3,000 years old. The city is filled with culture, vibrance, history, modernism, and many more interesting aspects and features. When it comes to sightseeing, there are plenty of modern and historical attractions to capture the eyes of tourists. Some of it includes the Acropolis of Athens, Roman Agora, the Parthenon, and the new Acropolis Museum. There are an endless number of places to visit just within the city of Athens, and a few days might not be enough for some enthusiastic travelers. Second on our list is Mykonos. Mykonos is one of the most visited places for tourists traveling to Greece. Its crystal clear blue waters, beautiful sandy beaches, and magnificent infrastructures are always an alluring sight for tourists. The island of Mykonos is always an ever-presence in the minds of many when referring to the many Greek island paradises. However, the most mind-boggling aspect of Mykonos is how it is able to capture the hearts of people of all ages, with it just solely being an island paradise. Even many well-known personalities often put Mykonos on the top of their list of must-visit holiday destinations. With an array of things to do in the day, from shopping to enjoying the beaches to visiting galleries, it has just as many things to do when the sun starts to set. The nightlife on this stunning island is something not to miss when in Mykonos. So, if you are someone who loves your nightlife, be sure to visit the island of Mykonos when traveling to Greece. The next city you should certainly pay a visit to is Delphi. Situated along the slopes of Mount Parnassus, is the ancient city of Delphi. It is a huge archaeological site surrounded by tons of ancient ruins. It is also identified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since the 1980s. Once regarded as the center of the world, the city is home to the highly regarded and very important Delphi Oracle. With its recognition as an ancient city, many travelers and historians tend to visit Delphi for its history and architecture. Such architecture includes the Delphi Theater, the Temple of Apollo, and the Athenian Treasury, just to name a few. Following the lovely city of Delphi is another magnificent city known as Meteora. Built at the start of the 14th century, Meteora is one of the most unique and rare places to visit not just in Greece but all over the globe. It might seem to some that most places on this list have all been identified as unique, and that is 100% true. No place in Greece is the same as the other, and that is the exciting part about traveling to Greece. This can only truly be understood if you have visited the beautiful country of Greece. And traveling to Meteora is an experience of its own. Located in the heart of Greece, Meteora is home to several 14th century monasteries. Meteora is also known as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for both its art and nature. Built on top of cliffs, it used to be a place where monks sought refuge during the Ottoman Empire. Today, it is a place for tourists and sightseers to come and view historic monasteries while learning about their history. Another city you should visit when traveling to Greece is Corfu. If you are looking to island hop on your visit to Greece, Corfu is one of the islands that should be at the top of that list. Corfu is an island known for its beautiful architecture, history, and cultural heritage. Located off the northwest coast of Greece, it has the most magnificent beaches in all of Greece. The island is famous for its Venetian architecture around its town and villages, which continuously attracts tourists from all over the globe. A peaceful yet enjoyable location for many holidaygoers. Corfu is a great place to just sit back and enjoy the beauty of a place, which is ultimately what a holiday should be. Next up on our list is Nafplio. Once the capital of Greece, this majestic city is now a hotspot for many Greece natives. It is one of the most luxurious and eye-catching cities in the whole of Greece. Nafplio is a great holiday destination for tourists who love extravagant and fancy holiday getaways. From the food to the city's architecture, everything is served at the finest quality to its visitors. Travelers who are willing to spend some money on enjoying a luxurious holiday trip are sure to be pleased by the city of Nafplio. Nafplio is also a wonderful place for all you food lovers. With a wide range of the finest cuisines, enjoying your favorite foods will definitely not be a problem when in Nafplio. Rhodes is yet another place you should add to your list of places to visit when traveling to Greece. Rhodes is an island located near the southwestern coast of Turkey. Although it is situated close to Turkey, it is still considered a Greek island and more importantly one of the most popular Greek islands among tourists. There are many reasons for the island's popularity among tourists traveling to Greece. Similar to most other Greek islands, there are a number of breathtaking beaches and landscapes that are pleasing to the eyes. However, what separates Rhodes from the other islands is that it has a blend of everything from historical architecture to amazing nightlife to top-notch amenities. Rhodes has it all. So, there is no one thing that makes the island eye-popping to its visitors, but consider it an all-around travel destination. Knossos might not be a place you are familiar with, but most definitely a place to visit when traveling to Greece. Near Heraklion in Crete lies the Minoan ruins of Knossos. It is a highly sought-after tourist location for many years. Once home to the Minoan civilization, it is now a tourist hotspot for its majestic beauty even after all these decades. The Minoan ruins or palace have been constantly on a rebuilding loop due to many catastrophes that happened decades or even centuries ago. However, its historical and cultural background is something that can never be taken away regardless of its rebuilding cycle. This could even be a great stopover when you are traveling to Crete. Hence, make Knossos one of your top destinations when traveling to Greece. Second to last on our list of dazzling cities to visit in Greece is Zagorohoria. Zagorohoria might not be a place you have heard of, but it is certainly one of the most underrated travel destinations in Greece. If you are looking for a place to visit when traveling to Greece, away from the beaches and modern towns, Zagorohoria is a peaceful and charming place to visit. It is a place located in the Pindus Mountains in Epirus filled with beautiful stone villages. With breathtaking views and stunning landscapes all around, it is sure to give travelers that unique experience that they are craving. It is also a great place for adventurous individuals, with a variety of adventuresome activities like hiking, mountain biking, rafting, and even paragliding. Last but not least is the majestic city of Santorini. If you have not been to Santorini, trust me when I say that you are really missing out on something special. When you ask any avid backpacker or traveler to name their top dream holiday locations, Santorini will most definitely be on that list. Traveling to Greece has its own form of uniqueness in terms of attracting tourists that many other countries do not have, and Santorini is a great example of that. It is an island located in the Cyclades which is well known for its gorgeous sandy beaches, picturesque villages, grand resorts, and even volcanoes. The main attraction of this island is how well designed its towns are, whereby you are able to enjoy the view of the sea while making your way through the towns and villages. There is no shortage of excellent views wherever you may be. And let's not forget about the delicious food served by highly regarded chefs and restaurants within the villages. Thus, Santorini is sure to amaze you and not be a disappointment to any of its visitors. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video, and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. With that, I hope to see you guys on our next travel video. Goodbye, and see you soon.